Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to find Quick Assist in Windows 11. If you are looking for the Quick Assist application but don't know where to find it, don't worry. The process is very simple. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click the Start button. Now you will see the search box. Click inside the search box and type Quick Assist. As you type, Windows will search for the Quick Assist application. You should see Quick Assist in the search results. Click on Quick Assist to open the application. Once Quick Assist opens, you can see the main screen of the application. This is the easiest way to find and open Quick Assist in Windows 11. There is also another way to find the application. Click the Start button again. Now select All Apps. Scroll through the list of installed applications and look for Quick Assist. Depending on your Windows version, you may find it under the letter Q. Once you find Quick Assist, simply click it to open the application. You can also use the search option because it is much faster and easier. If Quick Assist does not appear in the search results or the All Apps list, make sure Windows is updated. You can check this by opening Settings, selecting Windows Update, and clicking Check for updates. After updating Windows, search for Quick Assist again. So there are two simple ways to find Quick Assist. You can either search for it from the Start menu or find it manually from the All Apps list, and that's it. Now you know how to quickly find and open Quick Assist on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows tutorials.